Beautiful. Wow, look at all these people. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. If you guys are new to the channel, some of my most popular videos is driving my cars from the point of view perspective. And today, we're gonna be taking my straight pipe BMW M4 on a POV drive through Los Angeles. So let's go ahead and hop inside and get on the road. So we are in the M4. We are almost in the heart of Los Angeles, right by the Hollywood Hills. We went for a few photos this time. We're starting the video off with a different pace. Right off the bat, you can kind of see how this thing maneuvers in these tight LA neighborhoods through the hills. It's doing pretty good. So here's some pops. This is an interesting highway entrance if I've ever seen one. So we are now off the highway. We're gonna head over to Hollywood Boulevard, which is like 5 minutes away. We're gonna see what kind of cars we can come across. Wow, this whole street is lit up with different colors. It's kind of cool. Wow, look at all these people. Oh, new M4 drop top. Cops right here. So this right here is the Walk of Fame. You got all these Suburbans. It might be having some kind of like celebrity event going on, because I see people taking a lot of photos and waiting on the side for people. It's almost like some celebrities about to show up or something. There goes a Urus. It's like a matte gray, wide body. Wow, look at this black hole in it. Got a Huracan, blue Huracan, and Bottega. Looks like a Performante Spider. Oh, X6M, right on cue, brand new Ghost. This place has a lot of stuff going on. There's a Urus right there, an old VW Bug. Yeah, I believe we're on Sunset Boulevard. Nice Aston Martin. So before we continue on with today's video, I want to thank the sponsor of the video, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber offers genuine carbon fiber accessories like these beautiful gloss carbon fiber sunglasses that's nice and genuine and is a direct match to the carbon fiber weave inside of my BMW M4. These things are very lightweight and you can wear them for long durations. In addition, these sunglasses come with a beautiful case, even a nice cleaning cloth. They even have other genuine carbon fiber accessories like phone cases, money clips, even watches. So if you guys are interested, make sure you click those links in the description. Use the code BF10, you're gonna get 10% off. Without further ado, let's get on with today's video. You can see we're in Beverly Hills. We're about to pull up on Rodeo, but look at some supercars, NSX, and stuff being unloaded on a trailer. There are cops everywhere. Wow, look at the new Aston Martin SUV. That looks good. It's kind of dim, but you can see a Ferrari, Bottega, Cullinan, a Macan GTS, X6M, beautiful. The San Marino blue. SLR McLaren with a GTC4 Lusso. Oh, that is nice.
Hi.
How you doing? Mercedes driver trying to race. Goes Rodeo Drive. The revs build. See what kind of sound we can get. The windows down. Here goes a brand new Ferrari F8 coupe. Beautiful. Oh man, look at this coal in it. All white. Oh. I gotta say, I just love how this car just gets squirrely. All that torque just gets the back end loose so quick, and it's so controllable because this car only weighs like 3,300 pounds without the driver, so it's super lightweight. Well, I don't know if you guys can recognize this intersection. This is straight out of GTA. Actually, that apartment building you can buy and now actually own in the game is right here. F12 TDF behind me. I'm gonna let him pass. Listen to that. He's going into this house or this neighborhood. What a car. So here we go with the M4 parked up at the gas station. See, this thing cleans up pretty good with the mineral white metallic paint. This thing just looks so good in the gas station lighting. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.